Russian social networks reported on November 5, 2023 that the Russian armed forces captured the first Bradley M2A2 ODS-SA infantry fighting vehicle near the villages of Avdiivka and Stepove in Donetsk Oblast, Ukraine. The captured Bradley, which was supplied by the United States to Ukraine, was equipped with a BRAT protection kit. Russian engineers immediately began inspecting and dismantling the Bradley IFV to determine the vehicle's weaknesses. One of the important components of the Bradley M2A2 ODS-SA variant is the BRAT armor plate. The BRAT is a standard feature of this vehicle, strategically installed on the front lines before engaging in combat to enhance the safety of the Bradley. The BRAT protection kit is widely used by the U.S. military in deployments in Afghanistan, Iraq, and Syria, specifically tailored for Bradley's M2A2s. Developed collaboratively by General Dynamics and the Israeli company Rafael, this armor set comes in several variants. The version utilized by Ukrainian forces comprises 96 elements affixed to the front, sides of the hull, and turret, secure on a framework with fasteners. Notably, it can be assembled even in field conditions. The precise performance specifications of the BRAT elements, particularly their resistance to sharp-charged weapons, are classified. However, the manufacturers emphasize that this armor set is designed to offer protection against a range of threats, encompassing anti-tank rocket-propelled grenades and various modern missiles, including long-range guided missiles. The protection kit is produced in the form of hinged containers, installed on the American Bradley IFV's frontal part of the hull, as well as on the sides and turret. The kit is installed on the IFV for additional protection in the combat zone. These active armor modules are installed on a special frame, which is mounted over the main armor of the IFV. This can be done even in field workshops. They should increase the survivability of combat vehicles during the Ukrainian offensive, which is now ongoing in various parts of the Russian-Ukrainian war front. The Bradley M2A2 ODS-SA, produced by BAE Systems, represents an upgraded iteration of the M2A2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle within the U.S. Army's Armor Brigade Combat Team. Positioned as a modern armor combat vehicle, the Bradley integrates firepower, mobility, survivability, and advanced electronics. In terms of firepower, the Bradley is armed with a Bushmaster 25mm cannon for both explosive and armor-piercing rounds, TOW missiles for anti-armor capabilities, and a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun for close-range effectiveness. Survivability is prioritized through enhanced armor protection, roof fragmentation safeguards, and mounts for additional armor tires, particularly effective against sharp-charged munitions. The Bradley's mobility is augmented by an increased driver field of vision and the incorporation of an initial navigation system, crucial for maneuverability in urban combat scenarios. Digitized electronics contribute to situational awareness and communication within the Armor Brigade Combat Team. The vehicle's specifications include a combat weight of 34,250 kilograms, accommodating up to 10 personnel, powered by a 600 horsepower engine and equipped with a 662-liter fuel tank. The Bradley achieves a speed of 61 km per hour and a cruising range of 402 km.